So after a full year in our apartment, we decided that enough was enough. We have been living in this place for about a year and our living room was just not okay. Like anytime a visitor comes to our house, our living room is the first place they see. So no matter how beautiful our rooms are, if the living room is not, like, it is not a must that it has to be the most expensive of things, but something minimalist. So we decided to revamp our old chair and get some basic things. On this day, I just got back from an exam and I met the furniture guy. He was already concluding the sofa revamping. Anyways, guys, you're welcome to this video. Guy, how do I look? Let me take out this cap first. I'll wear it on the road. So, hey people, what's popping? Akil Shele, again the name, eh? Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. Let me wear this into the back and see if it will be fine. I don't understand how I look, but you guys, yo, man. You know, I just got back. I just got back from washing my clothes. Let me be serious now, guys. So guys, I am off to Arena Market's Oshodi. So we started our parlor renovation after about a year here. Like, we just renewed our rent a week ago. Yeah, last week. It's a week today, and we are like, you know what, enough is enough for this parlor. Our excuse has been, we are new, we have to fix our rooms, this one, that one. But right now we have been here for a year, and this is the first place visitors see when they get to this house. Even if you are going to take the visitor to your personal room, they'll first of all pass that parlor, and it doesn't look good. I don't show it in my videos because it doesn't look good. So we are finally fixing it. We have done our sofa. I should have shown you guys the process. I should have shown you guys by now. Or okay, I think this will be the beginning of the video. So we are doing our parlor renovation and we have already done the sofa. It was, you know, working with furniture people can be really stressful. So it was a really stressful place. It was a really stressful journey, all the back and forth, but the man did the work and he did it well. I'm grateful that he did it well. The shade of green in the parlor is not exactly what we wanted, but we couldn't find the shade we wanted, so we just went for something close. So that's what we have in the parlor right now. So we are going to the market. We want to go and get curtains, most importantly. Then we may get throw pillows. Then we may get all this small I don't know what to call it. I don't know the name they call it. There's a name they call it. I don't know why it's not coming to my head. But if I can remember what it's called, I'll put it on the screen. But if I cannot remember, when we eventually buy it, you guys will see what I was talking about. Yeah. So we're going to be getting that. We'll try and get throw pillows. And we also need fans. And we want to renovate our kitchen cabinets because I don't understand what the owners of this house did. They said they would fix it when we were coming and they patched it. But we came and like a month, everything had collapsed. So it was not a good work that they did with that cabinet. So we have to do that. Anyways, I have spoken for a long time. We're heading to Arena Market now. Ada and I have had a very stressful week. Today is Friday, and from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I was at work. On Thursday, I had a very important aircraft type exam, and today is Friday, and I'm heading to Arena Market, and I'm resuming work tomorrow. I just have 2 days off after 5 days of going to the airport, so it has been really hectic for me. I don't know if I'm looking stressed in this video, but yeah, God has been helping me. I don't know where I've been getting my energy from, but I've been strong, I've been healthy. The only thing I've been dealing with is you come back, your leg is paining you. By the time I sleep and wake up, I get better. We go again tomorrow and all that. The Lord is my strength. It will all end in praise. Anyways, let me wear this cap back. I took it off because I didn't know if it was looking good, but right now I feel like it's looking good. I should have just worn it throughout the video, right? Whichever way, if I've seen me at my best and worst moment. So however I look now, I know it's still good and you guys still love me like that. I feel like I'm looking beautiful. Take a look at the smile, the dentition, the skin, everything. Oh shit, oh baby. Let's get going, please. Okay, so this is my full fit for the day. Here's how I'm going to Arena Market. I just really wanted to go free. I would have worn jeans with this, but I don't need anything restrictive. I'm not a huge fan of jeans, and not when I'm about to go under the hot sun to a far place. I can't deal. So yeah, that's it. Bye.
Hi guys, I'm already sweating. Same cool drinks, thank you. I'll show you. Wait for you. I'll show you. My nigga is not You have more. Please, how much is a yard? Let's know the one we are choosing. This one. I used to ask myself that people that are vlogging, people are vlogging. This one, this one in my Jesus. Hey. Where are we headed? For just one window. For one window. What of the first one we pointed at? You said it was 2,000. I don't know. Yes. This one is fine for a room. But I know they buy a bag. I'm not ready for a baby. Color. I will be.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's I'll go in life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more.